Hello, friends. After understanding the importance of the Career Sure program and its unique features, I must explain why Career Sure. If you understand the importance of Career Sure program, you can rely on that. As you know, career is the ultimate destination of every student, whereas IT career is the dream of majority of students. If a rewarding career is assured to a student, he or she can extract the hidden resources and focus on studies. Ultimately, they can acquire the necessary employability required by the industry. In this context, you must know one analogy which is very relevant in this context. You know, there are many national institutions, national technical institutions like NIT, IITs, IAC, etc., and all that. Actually, I have personally seen the students in those institutions study up to night 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock also. The earliest time of going to bed may be 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. And there are thousands of university engineering colleges are there in India. If you compare both the students of national institutions and university colleges, there is lot of difference. Actually, national institutions students study up to night 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock 24 into 7 until the course is finished. Once they complete their daily assignment or projects, then only they go to bed. If you take university students only, they are seasonally studying. At the time of examination, they are little serious, otherwise they relax. Always they choose important, unimportant, and all that. Marks are only parameter. Whereas in national institutions, employability, knowledge, skills, and abilities are the parameters. So, if you consider the national institution student is your classmate only, he was your classmate sometime. By passing some entrance examination, he got the admission in a national institution. Then he changes his behavior and he can work hard daily, almost 18 hours or up to 18 hours they work. How they can work means those are like you only. How they are able to work means there are many reasons. Out of the three are very important reasons you must know about that. The first one is, if career is assured, a rewarding career is assured, student gets a confidence. If he completes his course within 2 years, after that he can have a wonderful career. He can choose his employer. That's why he can extract his hidden resources and he completes a daily task and then only he goes to bed. At every day he gets a strength. Oh, today I learned, today I acquired these skills. Like that, that is sense of achievement he or she can feel, and it empowers them and it changes their body language. They talk differently, they spend their time highly productively. Understand? That is the first reason, because their career is 100% assured. Every student at the end of the course, every student will have multiple placement offers. Out of that they have to choose the best. But where university students may not be so. The employability ratio as far as IT industry is concerned, 22% of the Indian engineering graduates are employable. Out of that, only 4% are employable in software development industry. That is the most pitiable position. So that is the first point. So your career, rewarding career, should be assured. Second one, Effective system. Actually, the system should be highly effective. You do not know which is effective or not. Only parameter for that, any system which can gives you a complete knowledge, a perfect command over the subject, not that is called knowledge, and which allows you to transform your knowledge into skills. Ultimately, you have to hire your skills to an employer. That's why that institution should provide you employability. Whatever may be the system, whatever may be the institution, that should ensure employability to you. That's the second one. So this is 100% provided in those national institutions. That is the second reason. Third one, enjoying studies. Actually, anybody can enjoy studies when they get instant result. If you study for 1 year, after 1 year you get some result, means nobody is interested. They cannot sustain their interest. So they must get instant result. So whatever concept they learn, they must be in a position to apply in a domain, and then only they can see the visible result, that to instant result. It acts like a driving force in them. The three are, there are many other points, the three are very important points. So through our program or through our system, we are assuring the three features. First one is, through this program, Career Sure program, we are ensuring you a career, not by luck, by providing employability. That is the first one. That I will explain. A few lectures you have to watch, then only you can realize that. Second one is effective system. We are providing you zero based, single window, doubt free and student friendly system. We have incorporated 18 attributes in the system in order to empower you to become a industry ready, IT industry ready candidate. So that is the second one. The third one is just 2 days. You need not believe all my words and all that, whether 18 attributes are incorporated in the system or 20 attributes are incorporated in the system. Your feeling, your enjoyment, your experience are material. So 2 days you work on compatibility test. You don't expect any background. At the end of the second day, you will be in a position to write solid C basic projects on your own without having any background. So then you start enjoying. Many people who complete their engineering also, they cannot write a solid C project formally, but you are able to, regardless of your background, you are able to write a solid C programs in a formal manner. That is very important. This is placement study, but it is not college oriented study. That's why whatever you learn, you master, that should contribute to your career. That's why our focus is on that. So once you start getting result, nobody can stop you. Many people use one phrase, I don't have time. Then you forget about that phrase. That means every time you get time to study. Because if there is a very interesting movie, your favorite hero's movie is there, you get time. Your favorite cricket match is there, you can get time. In the same manner, you can get time for studies also. Understand? You reduce your sleep and concentrate on studies. You get result. With that sense of achievement, you go to bed. Understand? Next day, you get up early for doing another project. So, this type of features we incorporate, whatever national institutions are providing to their students, same features I have incorporated this online study, mainly through this Career Sure program. And in this context, you should not only Career Sure program means it is a strategy, how we implement that, it is not everything. So in this context, you must know about the components or subsystems of our Eclavia universes. The first one is pragmatic program. This is a Career Sure program. In the next lecture, I will explain you its components. So for in a manufacturer's language, manufacturers and marketers language, there are four things are required. The first one is you should have a strategy, a program. Thereafter, you should have a system or a machinery to produce. Thereafter, you should have a input supplier, a provider should be there. Without inputs, you cannot do anything. Fourthly, you should have a distribution system. After produce has come, it should be marketed. So, for grossly, for any marketer, any manufacturer, four components are required, four subsystems are required. So, in the same analogy we are applying here, and we have developed four subsystems. So, the first one is pragmatic program. Without program, without a strategy, if you start anything, the results are not assured. That's why a clear, a pragmatic program we have developed, that is career sure program. Thereafter, effective implementation. Whatever program you develop and all that, if it is not implemented properly, it is futile. There is no use at all. That's why we must provide training, monitoring, and certification. So all that we are providing to Ekalavya Learning Management System. This is highly effective system. It is the first of its kind. Through this system, we are providing the three services: training, monitoring, and certification through 1 hour study units. Actually, entire program is divided into 1 hour study unit, and for each study unit, you are provided three elements: one video lecture, the corresponding e-book, the third one is unit test. So, first you watch the lecture. It is like attending a class. Thereafter, you have to read. In order to consolidate your knowledge, reading and writing are very natural habits. You should not go away. Simply have a look or watching, you may not grasp 100%. That point always you remember. It is registered in the top layers of your brain. It does not go to low level. If it has to go to low level, you must read, and wherever it is required, you should write. So, through this LMS, we are providing that. By that, you can monitor your study. Today, if you want to complete 3 units, you can complete. Otherwise, for this week, in this week, you have to complete 20 units, you can complete. Otherwise, you control that. On Friday, I see you have completed only 12 units. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, remaining 80 units you may complete. In that way, you can monitor your studies, and the specified period of 120 days, you can complete the program. So, in this way, we are providing you effective implementation system. The third one is integrated service provider. For studying this, for undergoing this course, you must have multiple services. Many people feel that simply learning some programming language, they can acquire a programming career. That is not true. You must be employable. You must have knowledge, perfect knowledge. Knowledge means you must be in a position to explain concepts, programming concepts, like your personal experiences. Thereafter, you have to transform your knowledge into programming skills. Thereafter, if you get the professionalism, you by transforming skills into abilities. Understand? So, all that should be provided. For that, we are providing a single window service provider, and we are providing 6 services in an integrated manner. They are books, video lectures, certification, and thereafter special modules for programming skills, soft skills, and interview facing skills. Totally 6 services we are providing through single window system. Thereafter, then with 120 days of your endeavor, you will be transformed as a IT industry ready candidate. Thereafter, you should have a wide option to choose an employer, a rewarding career. You are the right candidate for the industry. Then you must have an opportunity. Then you should be elevated properly with your specialities and all that, and you should have an exposure. By that, a number of employers will call you. Otherwise, if you apply for them also, everywhere you are selected, they can, then you will be in a position to choose best among them. So you can choose your job or an employer of your choice. It is not at the mercy of anybody. The only reason is because of your employability characteristic. So for this purpose, for assuring a placement and to assist you, providing exposure and elevation to you, we have provided Ekalavya placement platform. This also, all these elements as a different lectures I will explain. You must watch them in order to know all the features of each and every subsystem. In this manner, we are ensuring a career. This is just a matter of 120 days. That too, we are providing every service absolutely free of cost. No terms and conditions are applied.